Would you shut your mouth when you chew?
Okay. Hey, how do you even start doing something like this? Like what you guys do?
What is it you think we do?
We fix things, right? Like if something's messed up, or like if someone like messes up, you like make it okay, right?
More or less.
Thank you. Too bad you both can't work together. Like, what you do must be really lonely. I'm gonna pee.
So, LaGrange has a mole with Dimitri, or Diego is playing both sides somehow.
Still on this conspiracy thing?
Diego's dead mom is a bullshit story. They're setting the kid up. But why and how did LaGrange get that shipment?
What does it matter?
You're not curious.
Doesn't change the job.
So you're not curious.
Would be a valuable piece of intel.
You have to figure out how to play it. We both can't know everything.
Okay, then one of us would make the drop. Then maybe we'd figure out what the fuck's going on.
If we get the address.
If we get the address, one of us makes the drop.
No. He has to do it.
What, you... No. He could run, he could talk. There's too many variables.
He has to do it.
I'm not following.
Sometimes the job takes care of itself.
Oh. So the kid walks in and he gets shot? Because you don't want to do it?
I don't do anything I don't have to. Especially not that.
Or you've lost your nerve.
I mean, this kid doesn't come home. People are gonna look for him. This way, they find him.
No, I get it. You could just let him live. Let's say you're wrong. The kid makes a drop and he walks out alive. Then. You know why they have multiple shooters on a firing squad?
They do.
So?
I'm not asking how need your help.
I know you. I'm offering.
Why? So you say I lost my edge?
To who? I'm saying that I know what that feels, doing that. So maybe this way it would be a little less. You know it?
Did it go off? Oh, thank God. Oh, my God, I thought we were dead. Oh, my God, thank you. Oh.